So the chargers just adjusted to the new net power here. We have the air conditioning on because it's a bit warm upstairs, and all the chargers were on, and now I think only two. That's right, only two. Only one is on to adjust to cooking and air conditioning and all that consumption. Now a second one came on. Actually the first one. And the net power is quite low. That's good. The solar panels are producing 720 watts. At this time of the day, around noon, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock p.m., we see the peak of production of 850, sometimes 9 something, but briefly. So here it's steady around 700, and the ESS is adjusting always. Every 3 seconds we get new information from Watson. It's trying to adjust based on that. 0, perfect. 15, very low. So we have two chargers at the moment, if I can see, and two relays.